Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I've been sitting here making some really pretty little flowers for Christmas projects, and I thought it would be fun to come and show you how I've been making those. So that's what I'm going to do today. Now before I get into the video, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you'd hit the subscribe button and help my channel grow. And if you enjoyed today's video or find it useful, please also remember to leave me a thumbs up. So the first thing I did was to use a die set that I got in this Papercraft Society book. So this was the first ever one, and it was by Card Making Magic. And I really like this little die set. I use it all the time, especially for Christmas flowers. So I've used the large one, the medium one, the little impression one there, and then the centre. So I've actually used all of them, and then I've also used the leaf part of the die as well. And what I've done is I've cut those out of Ink Drops Rose. There was a really lovely deep red sheet in Ink Drops Rose by Craft Consortium, and I knew I wanted to use it for Christmas. And then the green leaves have actually come from another Craft Consortium pad, and it was called Ink Drops Ocean, and there was a really beautiful green sheet in there, so I've used those. And then for the centres, I've been using these new little embellishments that I got from Craft Consortium, and I've been using the 3mm ones. So this is really easy to do. It's really quick, great for stash building. And then your flowers are to hand when you need them for your Christmas projects. So originally I was using just my bed, if I'm honest, to shape the flowers, but I can't really film on my bed. So I thought, let's grab some fun foam. I know you can get all those flower shaping mats and things. I don't have any of those. So this is just a sheet of fun foam. And this ball tool either came with Creative Stamping Magazine or Papercraft Society. Can't really remember, but it's great. I love it. It's a nice weight, goes nicely in the hand. I really like using it. So the first thing I did, I got the biggest one, and I just started rubbing on the leaves. I'm really sorry the camera is going to shake. If you've seen some of my craft room tour videos, you will know I'm on a little collapsible table when I craft. But that does cause a fair amount of shake from the camera, unfortunately, when I do videos like this. So apologies for the fact it's moving around. Hopefully it doesn't make you too sick. Okay, so once I've shaped the leaves up a little bit, then I'm just going to pinch like this. And they're not leaves, are they? They are petals. I apologise. It's very early. I don't think I'm awake yet. I certainly haven't had my coffee yet. I should have probably had one before I started, but anyway, so that's the shape I've got. So now I get the next size down, and I'm going to repeat that same step. And there we go. The same with this teeny tiny one. It's a little bit trickier with this one though. There you go, you can just about see that. The little ones, the petals don't really pinch that well and stay in shape, but you know, it gives the general shape. And then this little center stamen, I'm just going to put my ball tool right in the center and just do small circles just so it comes up around the ball tool a little bit. And then that's ready to go in. So now it's time to assemble my flower. So I'm just using this tacky glue. So I'm going to put a dollop of glue in the centre here of the biggest one. And then I'm going to grab the medium sized flower, and when I put this in, I try and do it so that the petals go in these little gaps here, like that. So it kind of sits in the crevices, and then I just use my ball tool to kind of push it down and hold it and kind of keep it in position. You can move this one around with your fingers because it is that little bit larger. There we go, and I'm just going to hold that in place just for a second or two with my ball tool. I really like making flowers. It's a really nice mindful exercise to do because it just kind of zens me out. It clears my brain and I can just kind of go on autopilot doing this. So it's like wax seals. I find those really calming. I find making flowers really calming. And I do tend to use a lot of the flowers I make really quickly. So I never have loads and loads sitting around waiting to be used. Okay, so I'm going to do exactly the same with this smaller little petal. This time I'm going to put a slightly less glue in the centre because obviously it is smaller. I'm going to get it in position with my hand first and then try and put the ball tool down. This one is really fiddly. If I was comfortable working with tweezers, that would probably be the way to go. They do tend to try and swivel around though. That's the only thing I found. So they would rather slot together nicely than go on angles. There we go. I'm just going to hold that one with my thumb while it's in position. I would like some more layering flower dies. I think maybe that's something for Christmas or something to buy next year. I really like layering flowers because I like making my own, especially out of pretty paper. I'm not that worried about having foam flowers or foamarian flowers, but pretty paper flowers, I like those a lot. Okay, so that's grabbed a bit now. I can use my ball tool. And then we're going to put another jot of glue in the middle for the centerpiece. This one we're just going to drop in. It doesn't really need to be on an angle or anything. Probably shouldn't use the ball tool to position them, but do what works for you is what I say, and this works for me. You know, that's kind of central, that'll be fine. And then we're going to grab the little 3mm adhesive pearls. And these were only $2.99 I think on Craft Consortium's website the other day, so I thought that was really good. I did get sent them in a design team pack. I did ask to try them, but I think $2.99 for, I think you're getting 143, sorry. I think that's quite a good deal. Okay, so I'm going to put a glob of glue in the middle because I just want to be extra certain that these are going to stay where I put them. And then I'm going to get one on my nail and just kind of put it in place. And this glue does dry clear, as you can see. You can't see any glue marks on these, and these have all been done exactly the same way as I was on this row. So let's grab that one, put that in the centre, and go for the last one. Kind of turning my flower as I go. There we go, and then I just push them down just to make sure they stick very gently. I don't want to affect the shape of my flower, so I'm just pushing gently but firmly. There we go. Set that off to the side. Now we need to do the leaves. So again, I am going to shape these with my flower shaping tool here. So I just rub over the main part of the leaf until it starts to curl. It's just moving those fibres around. I do both sides. The thinner side obviously goes a lot quicker and easier than the thick side. And then all we need to do is add a little bit of glue on the bottom of each leaf and find where on the flower you want it to go. And these will just sit nicely on the back like this. And there you have it. A very beautiful Christmas flower that you will be able to put on your Christmas projects, and it took minutes to make. So that's my little video for today. I really hope you've enjoyed seeing how I make those flowers. I'll link Craft Consortium's website in the description box of this video in case you want to head over and grab either the paper pads or the dots. The Papercraft Society box was a craft stash one. I don't think it's available anymore, but you may find it on de-stash sites, but you can literally use what you have. It will work with anything. Thank you so much for watching today. Let me know what you think of my flowers in the comments below. I will be back soon with more videos, so until next time, take care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.